Hi, my name is Solène, and I want to investigate an unexpected spike in traffic with my colleague Rakesh. With Snippyly, it makes my life so much easier. So as you can see, I'm on a Google Analytics dashboard, and I don't understand what caused this spike. So with Snippyly, within a click on a button here, I can immediately start collaborating on the page. So here I'm gonna add an arrow to highlight the metric. I'm also gonna add a comment. So here, Rakesh, any idea what caused this spike? I'm gonna add an emoji to make it more fun. Now I'm gonna easily copy the link and paste it directly in my direct channel with Rakesh without having to switch tab or switch context. So now let's see what the experience is for Rakesh.
Hi, I'm Rakesh. Looks like Sulen has a question for me around Google Analytics. Generally, I don't have access to this dashboard, but thanks to Snipply, I can exactly see what she's referring to. So now let's click on this link and see her question. I can see Solen is live on this website. Uh, she has a comment for me. Okay, so she wants to know what caused this spike. I have another dashboard which explains the spike. With Snipply, I can easily clip this part of the dashboard which explains her question and paste it right into her context so that she doesn't have to go to my dashboard or need access to the dashboard that I'm looking at. And I can point to this what caused the spike and reply to her. We launched an ad campaign around this time. I think Selene is not aware of this ad campaign. Just in case she has more follow up questions, let me do a live call with her so that I don't have to do a Zoom call or spend a lot of time doing back and forth on Slack.
Oh, nice. I can see that Rakesh replied to my comment. So it's about an ad campaign. He also provided the actual metric. That's great. But I wonder what this ad campaign is all about. Oh, Rakesh read my mind. He's inviting me to join the call. So I'm going to join the call to get all my questions answered quickly. Thanks, Snippily.